Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Alienware P111F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dell Alienware P111F is underperforming or facing warranty issues, you're not alone. This can happen due to several factors, including hardware failure or software conflicts, and if left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications or even complete device failure. So, it's essential to tackle these issues promptly to maintain your device's performance. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement component specific to your issue. Make sure you have everything ready before starting the repair process. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam of the back panel and pry it open, being cautious not to damage any internal components. Once the back panel is off, locate the failing component. This may be the battery, the RAM, or the hard drive, depending on your specific issue. If you're unsure, consult your device's manual for guidance. When you've identified the faulty component, disconnect any cables attached to it, remembering to note their positions for reassembly. If it's a component that's held in place by screws, carefully remove them, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. Once the component is free, take your replacement part and position it correctly, ensuring all connectors align. Secure it in place by replacing the screws and reconnecting any cables you previously disconnected. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With everything back in place, gently reattach the back panel, ensuring it clicks into position. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier and power on your device to verify that it functions properly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent similar issues from occurring in the future, ensure that you regularly check for software updates and maintain your device's hardware by cleaning it from dust and debris. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the lifespan of your device and keep it running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.